Today we will show you how to remove and replace the fresh food door switch on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Reasons for replacing the fresh food light switch would be if the lights would not turn on.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
To remove your covers, we must first remove the 4 Phillips screws that hold them on. With the last screw removed, we can lift the cover up and rotate it to the back to access all the components underneath. To remove your light switch, there's 2 on either side. All you simply do is push the button in the plunger, pull the switch out, it'll pop right out. And then the terminals have little tabs that you must push in to release. And you're ready to install your new switch. Install your new switch, plug in your wires. And the terminals are different sizes, so you can't get them in the wrong spot. Push in your plunger, slide in your switch. Now we can reinstall the interface. To install your interface, flip it back over. Make sure you have all your wires tucked neatly inside. Install the 2 Phillips screws. Install your covers for your hinges. And that completes the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.